Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. How to diagnose and replace a faulty evaporator temperature sensor. Ever turned on your car's AC on a hot day, only to find it blowing warm air instead of cooling your cabin? The culprit could be a faulty evaporator temperature sensor, a small but crucial component in regulating your vehicle's air conditioning system. This sensor plays a pivotal role in monitoring the evaporator's temperature, ensuring your system runs efficiently and provides the comfort you expect. When it malfunctions, you might notice your AC isn't cooling properly, or worse, it leads to significant system damage if not addressed in time. Recognizing symptoms like inconsistent temperatures or complete AC failure early can save you time and money, emphasizing the importance of timely replacement for peak performance. Stick around to find out more about keeping your car cool and comfortable, no matter the weather outside. Understanding the evaporator temperature sensor. The evaporator temperature sensor plays a crucial role in regulating the temperature of the evaporator coils in your vehicle's HVAC system. This sensor is responsible for detecting the temperature within the evaporator and transmitting signals to the system to make necessary cooling adjustments. Let's dive into how this sensor functions and how to identify signs of a failing sensor. Functionality of the sensor. When your air conditioning is running, the evaporator temperature sensor continuously monitors the temperature of the evaporator coils. As the refrigerant evaporates within the coils, the sensor detects the temperature changes. Based on these readings, the sensor sends signals to the HVAC system to adjust the cooling output. By doing so, it ensures that the desired cabin temperature is maintained, providing you with optimal comfort while driving. Signs of a failing sensor. Inconsistent cooling. If you notice that your AC system is blowing air at varying temperatures, it could be a sign of a faulty evaporator temperature sensor. Improper temperature readings. A failing sensor may cause inaccurate temperature readings on your dashboard display, leading to discomfort due to incorrect cooling. Frequent cycling of the AC compressor. When the sensor malfunctions, it may trigger the AC compressor to cycle on and off more frequently than usual. This can result in inefficient cooling and increased wear on the compressor over time. Being aware of these signs can help you address issues with your vehicle's evaporator temperature sensor promptly, ensuring that your HVAC system operates efficiently and provides you with optimal comfort on the road. Diagnosing sensor issues. To accurately diagnose sensor issues in your vehicle, it's important to have the right tools on hand. Here's a rundown of what you'll need. Tools required for diagnosis. Multimeter. Essential for checking electrical currents and voltages in the system. Diagnostic scanner. Helps retrieve error codes stored in the vehicle's computer. Safety equipment. Protective gear like gloves and goggles to ensure your safety while working. Diagnostic process. When diagnosing a faulty evaporator temperature sensor, follow these steps. Prepare the vehicle. Ensure the engine is off and in a cool state before beginning. Locate the sensor. Find the evaporator temperature sensor in the vehicle's air conditioning system. Use the multimeter. Check for continuity and resistance in the sensor to determine if it's functioning correctly. Interpret error codes. Plug in the diagnostic scanner to read any error codes stored in the system. Thorough testing. Perform a series of tests to confirm the issue before proceeding with repairs or replacements. By following this step-by-step diagnostic procedure with the right tools, you can effectively pinpoint and address sensor issues in your vehicle, ensuring optimal performance and functionality. Replacing the evaporator temperature sensor. Location of the sensor. The evaporator temperature sensor in a vehicle's AC system is typically located near the evaporator core. It can usually be found inside the car's dashboard, near the evaporator coil. Accessing it might require removing some panels or components for a clear view and easy replacement. Precautions before replacement. Before starting the replacement process, it is crucial to take some safety precautions. Firstly, disconnect the vehicle's battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Additionally, it's essential to depressurize the AC system properly to prevent any leaks or damage during the sensor replacement. Step-by-step replacement guide. Removing the old sensor. Locate the old evaporator temperature sensor near the evaporator core. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector attached to the sensor. Gently remove the sensor from its position, ensuring not damage any surrounding components. Installing the new sensor. Take the new evaporator temperature sensor and position it correctly near the evaporator core. Securely attach the electrical connector to the new sensor. Double-check the placement and connection to ensure proper functionality. Ensuring proper reassembly. Reassemble any panels or components that were removed to access the sensor. Reconnect the vehicle's battery after the replacement process is complete. Test the AC system to verify that the new sensor is functioning correctly and the air conditioning is working efficiently. By following these simple steps and safety precautions, you can successfully replace the evaporator temperature sensor in your vehicle's AC system, leading to improved performance and comfort while driving. Testing the new sensor. After replacing the evaporator temperature sensor in your system, testing is crucial to ensure proper functionality and detect any potential issues before finalizing the repair. Here's how you can go about the verification process. Verification process. Temperature readings. Start by checking the temperature readings on the display or gauge connected to the sensor. Verify that the readings are within the expected range for the system to operate optimally. System operation. Next, observe the system's operation after sensor replacement. Ensure that the sensor is accurately relaying temperature information to the control unit and that the system responds appropriately to adjustments. Functional testing. Perform functional tests on the system that rely on the sensor data, such as activating cooling or heating functions. Monitor how the system reacts and confirm that the sensor is delivering accurate information for smooth operation. Comparative analysis. If possible, compare the new sensor readings with a known accurate measurement device to validate the sensor's precision and reliability in real-world conditions. Troubleshooting. If any discrepancies or malfunctions are detected during testing, troubleshoot the sensor installation, connections, or sensor-specific issues to address and resolve the problems promptly. By following these verification steps post-sensor replacement, you can ensure that the new evaporator temperature sensor is functioning correctly and contributing to the efficient operation of your system. Finally, ensuring the timely replacement of the evaporator temperature sensor is crucial for maintaining optimal air conditioning performance in vehicles. By summarizing the key points discussed in this video, it is evident that addressing issues related to the sensor can significantly impact the overall efficiency of the vehicle's cooling system. Importance of regular maintenance. Regular maintenance of the evaporator temperature sensor plays a vital role in preventing potential malfunctions within the air conditioning system. Addressing any issues promptly can avoid more extensive and expensive repairs down the line. Efficiency and performance. A well-functioning evaporator temperature sensor contributes to the efficient operation of the air conditioning system, providing a comfortable and controlled climate inside the vehicle. Timely replacement ensures that the system operates at peak performance levels. Cost-effectiveness. While replacement might incur some initial costs, it is a worthwhile investment in the long run. By addressing sensor issues promptly, you can avoid more significant and costly repairs in the future, saving both time and money. Vehicle comfort. The proper functioning of the evaporator temperature sensor enhances the overall comfort of the vehicle occupants by regulating the interior temperature effectively. This contributes to a pleasant driving experience for all passengers. The evaporator temperature sensor is a critical component of the vehicle's air conditioning system. By prioritizing regular maintenance and timely replacement when needed, you can ensure optimal performance, efficiency, and comfort for your vehicle. Stay proactive in addressing any sensor-related issues to enjoy a hassle-free driving experience. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.